crap about chopsticks.
That's why I use my fork. Definitely.
Okay, I'm done.
Yeah, I'm stuffed. Man. I love fortune cookies though. Good things will come your way. Man, I always get lame ones like that.
I say this time then, so yeah, I got eat more fortune cookies.
Did you really? That's
Yeah.
what I said?
Yeah.
Wow.
I probably put it in there on purpose. The wheel of good fortune is finally turning in your direction. That's true.
Okay. Man, why are my fortunes always so lame?
I don't know.
They never come true. They're boring.
I don't know.
It's Cat Fury from What Army?
Hi, I'm Cat Fury from What Army? Are your fortunes lame and boring, and even when they are fun, they never come true? Well, I'm here to tell you about What Army's patented in bed with a goat and a chainsaw method for making every fortune a laugh extravaganza. Yes, that's right, with our patented in bed with a goat and a chainsaw technique, even the most dull and lame of fortunes can become a laugh a minute. For example, young lady, what is your fortune?
Good things will come your way.
Ah, so good things will come your way. This is a perfect example of what we're talking about. But if you just add good things will come your way in bed with a goat and a chainsaw, suddenly everything's better. I see another fortune here. What is this one? Financial prosperity is coming your way. In bed with a goat and a chainsaw. Why don't you try it?
Okay. Look at this one here. Opportunity is knocking at your front door.
In bed with a goat and a chainsaw.
Travel is in your future. In bed with a goat and a chainsaw.